This is a quick little follow-up from yesterday. So I got it all together, and then today I was just taping it up. And this is the doorman one. See? It fell apart already. I unplugged it one time, fell apart. You figure, oh, that's just an anomaly. That's just the one thing. No, no, no. This one fell apart also too. It's down here on the ground somewhere. I don't know. Oh yeah, it's right here. This is the one on the other side. The little red thing fell apart, and then this thing broke inside here. So, anything worth doing once is always good doing twice. So, follow up. Use this one right here. I got this from AutoZone, and it is a bitchin' one to use. So they were two in stock. They comes with heat shrink and these little clips right here and this little thing. So that the new schematic is red to red, black to black, yellow to purple. So there it is. That's a little follow-up. I'm going to make it a short one, but yeah, that's the follow-up already. It's a finished product now, and the plugs are in and the plugs are tight, and they're going to last this long. Better this time. So this is the one that I used. Use this one. Don't use the other one. Once again, use this one. Don't use the other one. Anyways, that's the one to use. This is a short, but yeah, super angry, super pissed. But sometimes you do what you gotta do. Alrighty.